Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin has dipped into the micro support area. I only want to give you a short intraday update and then we'll see if the Fed announcement does anything. It probably will to a degree, and then I will probably provide a more extensive update later today. If you want to see that, make sure you subscribe to the channel, activate that notification bell, and yeah, just stay tuned for further updates. But here, overall, we've seen a test of support today. It's a pretty boring day, which is not surprising. I've warned about volatility, but not necessarily before the Fed interest rate announcement. So I think, you know, obviously the market is in anticipation mode. The stock market also not doing much today. So it could really be that we're all waiting, or the entire market is just waiting for that interest rate decision. And then the market can go its course again. At the moment, all we've seen is a pullback, which looks corrective. So as per previous updates, we're generally looking for higher prices still, but I will stop looking for higher prices when we break below 54,300. I've got two support areas here on the chart, two Fibonacci support areas. The upper one is relevant for the direct move to the upside scenario, in which we can say we have a wave 1, we have a wave 2, a 3, a 4, and a 5. And then this is a 5-wave move and therefore potentially bullish. Then we said, okay, it's possible we already touched our support area in wave B, which was a pullback. So maybe we are already in wave C, and then the upper support area, however, should hold. It is defined between 59,400 and 58,320. And we're dealing with a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So this would be the direct pathway to the upside, which is plausible because we have rallied quite substantially from the early Monday week, or early Monday, yeah, from the Monday low. Okay, we've rallied quite strongly, and the pullback seems corrective. I posted that earlier today on Discord as well for our gold members, that so far, and the price was already testing the support area here, yeah, so far no upside reversal confirmation yet. Be prepared for a test of the lower support area, obviously, especially today due to the Fed announcement. But Bitcoin is still holding the upper micro support, and the pullback appears to be corrective. So, and then we might see a pullback today and then another rally after the Fed announcement. We'll see if that happens. But what I wanted to communicate is the pullback looks corrective. Whenever the pullback looks corrective, you know, there is no strong sign that a substantial top has formed. So therefore, it is absolutely plausible to watch for higher prices, to keep the door open for higher prices. What we don't know is where exactly the price will react to support. But up here, we have three levels to watch: 59,395, 58,950, and 58,322. So it's the upper support area. And you could even draw a trend line here. I mean, see, there are enough touch points to make it relevant. Maybe for an upside breakout, absolutely possible. But these trend lines, some are not so reliable, but this here gives me 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 touch points. Okay, so breaking above it, you could even draw that as a channel, and we could say, okay, we're working here on a corrective price channel. Any break above it could indicate that the third wave to the upside is unfolding. 58,322 is here support for the scenario that the larger B wave already bottomed on Monday. And if we break below 58,320, we are going to most likely test the lower support area in a still unfolding B wave, which would then unfold as an A, B, C flat correction. In this scenario, in both, however, I'm watching overall for the price to get to round about 67K. I shared that with you in my last video yesterday where we covered the daily chart. I'll probably do that in the next video. After the Fed interest rate decision, we can look at the daily chart, take a look at some projections, see if anything changed. But most likely that interest rate decision isn't going to change much. What the support areas here tell us is when the market will likely flip bearish. And it will likely flip bearish below 54,300. We know that even if this is a large AB structure and the B wave is still unfolding, that B wave shouldn't really break below that 54,300 level. It can do for a short period, but shouldn't really sustain. So that's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.